I will show you how to add overlays in CapCut PC. Open the CapCut application on your PC. Then create a project. After that, import the video you want to edit. Select two videos that you want to combine. After you import, drag the video to the timeline table. After that, drag one video to the top of the other video. Then you arrange the placement in which section. It's up to you. Try previewing first whether it's according to your wishes. If so, congratulations, you have combined or overlaid your videos.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.